Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming the Project Pen update for the month of April, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. This month was just a tiny bit longer, so I had more time and I think I'm filming this a bit later than last month, so I had a bit more time to have more progress. Let's talk about primer. So this is the Hello Good stuff from Essence. I'm gonna put the video up with the progress. I think I will be able to finish this in like 3 months or something like that, and I really enjoy this primer. It is very nice. It is hydrating, glowy, but not shimmery and not very glowy. It's just really perfect for me. I do enjoy it. It is an amazing primer, so I do really like using it into the project pen. Then let's talk about foundation, and this is the product that I did finish. This is the Fenty Eaze Drop. I had the shade number 2. I am pretty happy to finish this one because it's not my favorite foundation. I just don't love the way it looks on my skin when I'm applying it. It is wearing pretty nice, but it's just not my favorite. It is not a fail or something like that. It's just not for me. I heard a lot of people really loving it, but I'm just not one of them, and I am happy to be done with this product. And the other foundation that it is in my project pen is the Tilbury Beautiful Skin. I have the shade number 2 in this one as well. I'm gonna put the video up, but I didn't do the biggest progress just because I was focusing on the Fenty foundation, and then I think I used other foundations in my collection as well, so not the biggest progress with this one, but I think I will be able to finish it in like 2 months, maybe something like that. And for foundation, I actually want to introduce another foundation because I really like having more than one option, and this Charlotte Tilbury foundation, it is pretty old, so I decided to put in the project pen a newer foundation in my collection, and this is the L'Oreal True Match. So that is my main priority, to finish a foundation that is older, but as well I want to enjoy something new in my collection. So I will count the number of uses for this one, so we will not have a progress with lines and stuff like that, because I don't want to finish this foundation. It's not my main focus. I want to finish the other one, but I want to use this one, so it will be very nice to see how much progress I can do on that one and how many times I will use this one. So we have 2 foundations in the project pen. Next, let's talk about the Sigma corrector. I did a pretty small progress this month as well. I think I will be able to finish it in like 3 more months or maybe 4. It is an amazing corrector. It is very easy to blend and it looks really natural, but you need the tiniest amount of product, so that's the reason the progress is slower. But I do really enjoy it, so of course it will stay in the project pen. Next we have the NYX Bare With Me concealer, and this is so beautiful as a foundation. This month I used it so many times as a foundation and it looks stunning and it wears so beautiful. I think I love it as a foundation more than as a concealer. Of course, when I am using it as a foundation, I put it under my eyes as well, so like a concealer, but it looks so beautiful. I really enjoy using it as a foundation, so I think I will do that in the next months as well. I did a pretty good progress on it, of course, because I do use a bit more product when I am spreading it all over my face, but I really like this concealer. I do recommend it. It's so natural, so beautiful, and it wears really great. Next we have the Maybelline powder, and I did use this one a pretty good amount. I think I will be able to finish it maybe this month or maybe the next one. I don't love pressed powders right now. I am going back to loving only a loose powder, but I did use this one, like I said, a pretty good amount. I am pretty happy with the progress, so I will continue to use it and it should be done in the next 1 or 2 months. Next is bronzer, and we have the Rare Beauty bronzer in the project pen. This shade is called Power Boost. I think it's the lightest shade. I have just this much left, so it is almost done and I decided to finish it because in the beginning I put 50 uses. I did 20 uses in January, 15 in February, and 20 in March. So we did already reach the goal of 50 uses. We are at 55, but I want to finish it up. So I will continue to count the number of uses. I'm gonna say that around 90 uses this product will be done. Let's see if I am correct or if I am very far off or not. I do really love this bronzer. It's so easy to blend, so beautiful. So I want to finish it up. I could see myself repurchasing this because it is an amazing formula, but maybe I'm gonna buy a more cooler toned shade because those were released pretty recently. And yeah, so we will finish this one. I am curious, maybe it will take 2 more months. Yes, probably around 2 more months. And I am, like I said, very curious about that. Next we have blush, and last month I did introduce the LYS cream blush into the project pan after we finished the Fenty one. I did use this one 17 times in March, so I will continue to use it. We have the goal of 50 uses, so I will keep going. This is a really nice blush. I do enjoy the color and everything. It is just a bit pigmented, so you need to apply just a bit and blend, but it's so stunning, and I love applying this with a brush and then blending out even more with a sponge. It is really nice. Next we have highlighter, and I do have the Wet n Wild highlighter. I'm gonna put up the video because for this one I decided to have a close-up. I did use this one 13 times in January, 14 times in February, and another 17 times in March. So we are at 44 uses out of 50. So this will stay at least another month in the project pan. Then I will decide in May if I want to replace this one with another highlighter or just keep going. I would really like to finish this highlighter, but it's a bit challenging. I will see if I want to replace it or not, but that will be next month. Next we have the gloss category, and in February, if I remember correctly, I did introduce the Pillow Balm from Too Faced. I'm gonna put a video because it is still not done, and that is because right now I am working from office and I do have another gloss in my purse. That was my bad, but I will finish that one. That is the E.L.F plumping gloss, and that is closer to be done than this one because I am using this one only at home and I am not that much at home, so that's the reason this has a slower progress. But this month I am finishing this because it is taking too much. I want to finish this one up, so maybe I will put this one in my purse, or I don't know, I'm gonna use this up because it is time. And lastly we have the category of monthly bonus item, and in March I did add the E.L.F shadow stick. This is the No Budge shadow stick in the shade Copper Chic, and for this category I am counting the number of uses, and I did use this one 7 times, which is pretty good because I usually am wearing no eye makeup or a lot of makeup, so 7 times is pretty good considering that. And I took this one to Prague with me, and it was so nice because I was only blending this one out with my finger or with a brush and then putting some shimmers on top, and it was very beautiful and so easy to do. So this is a really nice product. I do recommend it, but this month we will add just another product because it is a monthly item, and for the month of April I decided on this blue liner. This is the Sephora Retractable eyeliner in the shade Matte Cobalt, so it is a cobalt blue. This liner is so beautiful, so creamy, so easy to use, and so pigmented. I do really enjoy it. I usually don't wear blue eyeshadow too often because it's not my favorite color to use or color to blend because it's just a bit tricky, and I don't love blue on me. It is what it is. But maybe with this one I will challenge myself a bit. Maybe I'm gonna do some blue wings with it, or maybe I'm gonna do a blue lower lash, or maybe I'm gonna do something pastel blue in here and put this one as a liner, just like detail work. I already have 3 ideas, so I want to use this one as well, and I will count the number of uses. I hope I would use it at least 3 times or something like that, just to use it, and I will challenge myself to have something blue on some of my eye looks. So these are all the products. As always, I talked very fast about them. I don't know why, but the project pen is the fastest video for me. I am talking very fast, maybe because I'm excited about everything, so I want to tell you everything so fast. But yeah, I like project penning. I did a pretty good progress. I am very happy to finish this foundation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.